it means. In order to deem green energy, a resource cannot produce good usage, such as is found with fossil fuels. This means that not all resources used by the renewable energy industry are green. For example, power generation that burns against organic matter. For sustainable forests may be renewable, but it's not necessarily green due to carbon dioxide produced by burning process itself. Green energy sources usually naturally replenish as opposed to fossil fuels sources like natural gas or coal, which can take millions of years to develop. Green sources also often avoid mining or drilling operation, can be damage to ecosystem.
How does it work? As a source of energy, green energy often comes from renewable energy technologies such as solar energy, wind power, geothermal energy, biomass, and hydroelectric power. Each of these technologies works in different ways, whether that is by taking power from the sun, as with solar panels, or using wind turbines or the flows of water to generate energy. So green energy primarily derived from renewable technologies including solar energy, wind power, geothermal energy, biomass, and hydroelectric power. Each technology generates energy in unique ways, sama sa pagkuha sa gahom gikan sa sunlight gamit ang solar panels, paggamit sa wind turbines, or water flow for hydroelectric power.
Green energy is important for the environment as it replaces the negative effects of fossil fuels with more environmentally friendly alternatives. Derived from natural resources, green energy is also often renewable and clean, meaning that they emit no or few greenhouse gases and are often readily available. Even when the full life cycle of a green energy source it takes into consideration. They release far less greenhouse gases than fossil fuels, as well as few or low levels of air pollutants. This is not just good for the planet, but is also better for the health of people and, and animals that have to breathe the air. Green energy can also lead to stable energy prices as these sources are often produced locally and are not as affected by geopolitical crises, price strikes, or supply chain disruptions. The economic benefits also includes jobs creation in building the facilities that often serves the communities where the workers are employed. Renewable energy saw the creations of 11 million jobs worldwide in 2018, with this number set to grow as we strive to meet targets such as net zero. Due to the local nature of energy productions through sources like solar and wind power, the energy infrastructure is more flexible and less dependent on centralized sources that can lead to disruptions as well as being less resilient to weather-released climate change. Green energy also represents a low-cost solution of energy needs of many parts of the world. This will only improve as costs continue to fall, further increasing the accessibility of green energy, especially in the developing world. Help the environment. Green energy provides real benefits for the environment since the power comes from natural resources such as sunlight, wind, and water. Constantly replenished, these energy sources are the direct opposite of the unsustainable, carbon emitting fossil fuels that have powered us for over a century. Creating energy with a zero carbon footprint is a great strides to a more environmentally friendly future. If we can use it to meet our power industrial and transportation needs, we will be able to greatly reduce our impacts on the environment.
In conclusion, green energy looks set to be part of the future of the world, offering a cleaner alternative to many of today's energy sources. Readily replenished these energy sources are not just good for the environment but are also leading to job creation and look set to become economically viable as developments continue. The fact is that fossil fuels need to become a thing of the past as they do, not provide a sustainable solution to our energy needs. By developing a variety of green energy solutions, we can create a totally sustainable future for our energy provision without damaging the world we all live in. TWI has been working on different green energy projects for decades and has built up expertise in these areas, finding solutions for our industrial members ranging from electrification to the automotive industry to the latest developments in renewable energy.